guys, this is a special egg in the making, and there's some amazing ingredients by the brother, and it's been made by the brother for the sister, I think. Say yes or no?
Depends.
Depends. If it's nice, then it's for me. So since we like to keep the identity discreet, thank you so much for that. He is making the egg. Could you tell us about the ingredients, please? Yo.
I'm busy in working.
Okay, that's the slippers of the unknown identity. So this is eggs, this is milk, this is pepper, salt. What else?
That's it.
Chopsticks. Is there a name to this egg that everybody can know?
Not really. It's like a French omelette version of a French omelette.
So like ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಒಂದು ಅವನದೇ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಎಗ್ ಆಮ್ಲೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅವ್ನು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಫ್ಲಫಿ ಆಗಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇವಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಬಟ್ ಇವರು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ, ಬಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್. ವೈ ಆರ್ ವಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್?
To give it a texture, fluffiness.
But is it still going to be in the form of an omelette, or is it going to be like a scrambled egg?
No, it's going to be like an omelette.
Yes. Oh my god, it's gorgeous.
This is where you add cheese.
ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು? That's what are we adding in Canada?
We're adding cheese, mozzarella cheese or any regular cheese. Not too much.
Recognize the face with the hands competition.
Flip it over on itself so that encase the cheese.
Oh, so we're making that several layer omelette kind of.
Generally, you'd use a bigger pan.
So it makes it bigger. Oh, so you keep adding cheese at every level.
Yeah.
Oh my
so it's
god.
not exactly healthy.
Yes. RD to RD kitchen ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಇದು ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಯಮ್ಮಿ ಟೇಸ್ಟಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. So you must try it. But this looks really, really interesting.
So you have to keep fluctuating the temperature just to get hot this side, so you can flip it over on the other side.
And how do? You keep increasing, decreasing the gas?
So once you flip it, you sim it. Generally, the aim is to not get coloring on it, but if you do it, it's not gonna taste bad, but
just like a nice yellow color of the omelette is usually the perfect color.
So do about 3 layers and then flip it over and cover it and put it on sim and cover it.
ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಲರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ದ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ 2 eggs. ಇವಾಗ छोटी वाली प्लेट तो ना कवर करने वाली है वो.
नहीं, प्लेट नहीं, this is easier to.
And milk, and then you keep adding cheese. So milk makes it fluffier.
Milk makes it more. So अभी ये दो अंडे का omelette है. It looks like at least 4 egg omelette.
Yeah, true. ಆಮ್ಲೆಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾರೂ. ನೋಡಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಮಾರನ ಫೋನ್ and they feed this phone. Yes, that's oil. So that it stays greasy and doesn't stick on the pan.
Yeah. Generally, a non-stick pan you wouldn't have to use that way.
ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಶೆಫ್ ಕಿಚನ್ದು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಇದು. Recognize the name balance.
Let it go for a couple of more minutes. It's nice and easy inside.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಏನ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. Is it done?
Yeah.
Oh my god, is that the cheese?
Yeah.
What do we call it? Okay, this looks fantabulous.
Enjoy.
Thank you so much, Rudy Bhai. I shall definitely do a tasting video and let you guys know how it is. I'm sure it looks fabulous. Gorgeous. Thank you.